Today I'm going to teach you how to enter purchase invoices in Xero. This is an essential task for keeping your business finances organized and ensuring all your expenses are properly recorded in your accounting system. First, open your browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll see several menu options. Click on Purchases in the top navigation. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your purchasing activities. From this drop-down, select Bills. This is where Xero stores all your purchase invoices and allows you to manage them efficiently. You'll now be directed to a page displaying the list of all your existing purchase invoices. This overview gives you a comprehensive view of your bills, their status, and payment details. It's a central hub for managing all your incoming invoices. Look to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a button labeled New Bill. Click on it and a drop-down option will appear from these drop-down options. Select New Bill. This action opens up the invoice creation interface where you'll input all the necessary details. Now you're on the new bill or purchase invoice creation page. Start by entering the contact for this bill in the From field. This is where you specify which supplier or vendor the bill is from. Next, enter the bill date, which is typically the date shown on the invoice you received. You'll also need to add the due date, which indicates when payment needs to be made. If your supplier has provided a reference number on their invoice, you can add that as well to help with tracking and matching documents later. Now focus on the line items table below. This is where you'll detail what you purchased, add each item or service you bought, along with its unit price and quantity. Xero will automatically calculate the totals for you. You should also select the relevant account for this purchase from your chart of accounts, which helps categorize the expense correctly for your financial reports. Don't forget to specify the appropriate tax rate and region if applicable, as this ensures your tax calculations are accurate. Once you've finished filling in all the details and configuring your purchase invoice, click on Approve. This finalizes the entry and records the bill in your system, making it ready for payment processing. And that's it. You've successfully entered a purchase invoice in Xero, keeping your financial records up to date and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.